Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I have Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. To do that, open Google Chrome application and tap on the three dots on the right corner. There, scroll down and choose settings. In it we tap on our Google Password Manager and there we have password with our smartphone. Remember, maybe to our Netflix account we can click there. Now to get connected to that we must enter our lock screen mode, use our fingerprint, and there we can copy our email, copy our password by this first icon, or after we press this size icon our smartphone show us password which, remember, you can also share this password to someone when you tap on this icon, or edit by edit, and there we can edit something, but remember when you change something to tap save. The last function is delete password which our smartphone remember by delete and confirm by deleted. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.